If the inverter is in standby, grid detection state and cannot connect to the power grid, use the following solution for troubleshooting. Check that the AC circuit breaker is turned on. Adjust the corresponding parameters. Use a multimeter to check whether the AC voltage of the inverter is normal. Check whether the startup voltage upper threshold of grid connection for the inverter is met. Startup voltage lower threshold of grid connection. Startup frequency upper threshold of grid connection. Startup frequency lower threshold of grid connection. Grid reconnection voltage upper limit. Grid reconnection voltage lower limit. Grid reconnection frequency upper limit. Grid reconnection frequency lower limit. Delay time for connecting automatically to the network. Grid connection delay after grid recovery. Enable auto start upon grid recovery. Check whether the grid code is correct. Choose Set. Grid parameters. Grid code. Check that grid code is set correctly. If the problem persists, contact Huawei technical support.